What is iceberg thinking? You might have heard the phrase, the tip of the iceberg. It's often used to describe what we can see versus what we can't. Like an actual iceberg, the part we can observe is only a sliver of what's hidden beneath the surface. Iceberg thinking is about questioning the world around you. It aims to get at the heart of what drives us, what it means to be, well, human, recognizing why we do the things we do, and that all humans are kind of complicated. Iceberg thinking is a way of approaching life. You recognize that you need to dive deeper in order to fully understand things. It's not that you're solving a problem or answering a question, but trying to see more of the whole picture. So every time you find yourself in a new situation, take a deep breath and see yourself standing on an iceberg. Remember that there's so much more to learn, just waiting to be discovered.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.